Good morning, guys. Today is March 21st, and we're going to go tour the greenhouse because out here in Papineauville, Quebec, where Fairweather Farm is, we tend to turn the greenhouse on March 22nd, which is tomorrow. So we got a little bit of prep work that we got to do over here. Get that ready. So we're going to do that. As you guys can see, over the winter, there was a bit of snow accumulation on the greenhouse, and it seems to be a bit of ice, or it could have been weighted down snow, we're not exactly sure, but it cut about a 3-foot slit in the back left corner of the greenhouse. So I'm going to just use some Gorilla Tape. It's clear, and I'm just going to get that patched right up. There you have it. That's the finish job. I did one other strip on either side of the outside layer, and then I put one strip here horizontally at the top and at the bottom here to seal it. And I made sure that the two layers didn't stick together. That's the finished job. I'm just going to get down here off the table. I built these sturdy enough so that I can climb on them no problem. This is our greenhouse here. It's 30 by 50. This is where we grow all our seedlings, our tomatoes, cucumbers, and this year we're going to be growing turmeric and ginger in here. So, yeah, I mean, it's not ideal that the greenhouse ripped, but it is stuff that happens. So I'm just going to give that a quick fix and move on, you know. And that is already installed and good to go, so that's something nice that's new from last year, because we had to install them. Well, I had to install them last year. So you can see it's more than 30 degrees here in the greenhouse right now, which is good, but at some point I may want to actually set the exhaust fans to turn on so that they exhaust a bit of heat during the day, and then they'd close off later in the evening. Just drop the thermostat there, the Gubby. So this one, the Gubby is quite nice because you can get it on your phone, so you can know the temperature from your phone away from the greenhouse, and you can get alerts and stuff. So I found that to be good. You just need a Wi-Fi signal to make it work. But yeah, we do heat our greenhouse with the propane here. This is our furnace, and this blows the hot air through this balloon, and there's some holes. And the reason that we have it up in the air is just so that it's out of the way. It would actually ideally be better to have the balloon on the ground. Because of the intense growing space in the small greenhouse, we need to economize that space, so we throw it up there on the top. And then the other thing you can see is that I've got this drainage tile here. So I actually dug a trench last year to fall all the way around the side of the inside of the greenhouse, because we put drain tiles around the outside perimeter of the greenhouse, but it didn't seem to be enough. So I've already buried to the far end of the greenhouse there. So it's a good 50-foot length there at least, plus then it does the front. So this is already 80 feet of pipe, which means we've probably got another 100 foot here. It's probably 200 foot length. Basically, like right here, you know, we get a lot of water coming off because of the seedling trays and doing the watering.